excited are you to be here tonight?
How excited? Well, the red carpet is you kind of feel stupid. So I'm excited and feeling stupid at the same time. Where you just walk down and then you get all these people go, who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Who is that? So my goal is to make it all the way down where nobody knows who I am.
I feel stupid talking to you because you have one of the best voices ever. I want you to read me bedtime stories.
Ooh.
What's the weirdest thing that anybody's ever asked you to do for them in terms of like using your vocal abilities?
I've had, wow, I don't know if I can, I'm happily married. Let me present that. I've had some women who've said, would you record my voice message? And they wanted to have a man on there. And one time I called information for a phone number, and the woman said, I go to bed with you. And I go, what? So the TV was on when I worked at ESPN, so she'd fall asleep, and she fell asleep to me. So she heard my voice, and then she hung up on me. I never even got the phone number I was calling for. So, but I'm lucky. I'm fortunate to have the voice, and I can do something for you if you need me to.
Let's see. Can you say you're watching Fab TV?
Your name and
you're watching.
I'm Dan Patrick, and you're watching Fab TV.
That's so pro.
That was so wonderful.